This is the elevator for the parking garage at the Walker Arts Center, Minneapolis. Ooh, this one has a cool arrow. Oh my god! That scared me. Here's your COP Otis buttons. A 3,000 pound capacity. There's your phone. Start picking up there. Creepy. P1. See this has a good motor released. Here we go. It's pretty quick. It's not the best elevator, but I want a P3. Cab view, big boy washing. It's very basic. That's squeaking though. I do like the indicator, that is cool. Here at P3. Not the best, but I mean, I've seen worse. Oh, it's cold down here. And there's the parking garage, it's empty on this floor. There it goes. That'll be it.